Did you know Australia once declared war on birds and lost? Hold on, because this gets wild. In 1932, Western Australian farmers faced an unexpected enemy, 20,000 emus destroying their crops. The government's solution? Send soldiers with machine guns. But these weren't ordinary birds. The emus split into smaller groups, dodging bullets like trained commandos, led by what soldiers called big birds. They conducted guerrilla warfare tactics that left the military stunned. After 2,500 rounds of ammunition and only a handful of confirmed kills, the army retreated in defeat. The feathered warriors had prevailed, proving nature doesn't always bow to human intervention. Would you believe these bird generals outsmarted some of Australia's finest soldiers? Drop A if you think these emus deserved their victory.